welcome to my channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Idaho Expat Life in the Philippines. I'm still not in the Philippines. This is Boise, Idaho on an early Sunday morning. And I've been feeling kind of sick. I had a nice cold for a while there. Couldn't breathe, couldn't talk, had to cough. But I'm feeling better now. And I thought I'd update my channel. Still waiting for the opportunity to get a ticket back to the Philippines. I'm not great at budgeting my money, so I kind of left myself short until January, because the ticket prices during this time of year going home to the Philippines is probably about double what it would be any other time, so I'm having to wait it out until January. But I thought I'd give you a glimpse of downtown Boise on a Sunday morning. Just a quick video to update my blog. Nothing going on. There's nothing here. Good thing is there's no snow. The wind's died down. It's not windy. Still cold, but you don't feel the cold anymore because I'm used to it now. City Hall. Usually on a Sunday morning, it takes, people get moseying around and out of bed and everything. Normally about 10 o'clock in the morning, it starts to pick up some. But it's a sleepy town on a Sunday. That's just Boise, Idaho, you know. If I would have been down here last night for Saturday night, it would have been a whole different story. But I'm not drinking, so staying off the wagon, or on the wagon, I should say. Relaxing, biding my time so I can come home with my little daughter, who I love with all my heart, my wife, who I love with all my heart, and my sweet little niece, Little Lynn, who stays with us, and hopefully she's still staying there. Miss them all. I miss them all very much. There's the Capitol. Sunday morning. No events going on today. Just another slow day in Boise. I might even take in a movie. I might do that this afternoon. Take in a little movie. Kill a few hours. But sorry to say, my vlogs are not going to be that exciting until I get back home, or until I book the ticket and get ready to fly out of here. Until then, it's just taking it easy. So I appreciate you guys sticking with me. I appreciate your subscriptions. Thanks for the support. There are links in my description box for other videos, for PayPal account if you feel like contributing to the adventures of an expat. And thanks again. I appreciate you guys. Enjoy your time and have a great Sunday. Love you, everybody. See you next time. Here I am, Boise, Idaho. Still biding my time here in Idaho. And it's early Sunday morning, December 11th. And yeah, I mean, my adventures take me places sometimes that I don't plan on being, but I'm homeless here, because I didn't plan and didn't foresee some of the things that are going to happen. But I live an adventurous life, so I kind of look at it like life comes around in cycles. One day you're in a 5-star hotel with a swimming pool. A couple months later you're sitting on the streets in Boise, Idaho. It's my hometown, so I'm very familiar with it, and it's very safe. It's very nice, actually. I mean, there's been a couple of days where the weather was kind of rough, but overall, I'm blessed, I'm blessed. I'm a blessed human being. And the people I get to meet and the things I get to see are all part of my journey. Not an issue at all. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in and sticking with me on this channel, because heck, I don't know, I might be in Honolulu next week. No, not next week. I got a couple more, 3 weeks to go before I can make any kind of move. But I'm not a permanent homeless person. I'm just here taking advantage of the mission because the rents are way too high for me to pay for rent here. And I need to book a ticket home to the Philippines. So I can't wait. I miss my little girl. I miss my wife. I love them both with all my heart. My niece, little Lynn, stays with us. I miss her. I'm not even updated yet on what happened with her board exam. She's got her board exam to be a teacher there, elementary teacher. And I'm pretty confident she's done good on that. But anyway, just an update, you guys. Hang in there. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the thumbs up, everybody. Make sure you hit that notification bell for future videos. And I promise there will be some more adventures. And probably more exciting than what you're going to see here today. But, you know, a quick video to let you guys know I'm alive still. All right, God bless everybody. See you next time. Have a nice day. God bless. Take care.